Today we're going to get a little fancy in the kitchen. I found some Cornish hens on sale and I decided I wanted to make Cog Au Vin. So come along with me on this adventure. I haven't made it in years. Rebel Canner's teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old days. And, you know, we all need a little bit more of the old ways these days.
So I have browned my bacon. I started this and I'm like, oh, I need to film this. And now I'm joining my onions and my mushrooms to brown. And then I will add my hens and carrots and parsnips and thyme. So there it is. I'm browning my bacon so that that's on the bottom so that my pan doesn't stick. And then I'm going to put that on top of my hens here at the end. And I added 4 tablespoons of butter. And now I'm going to add my chicken, a couple cups of chicken broth, and my vegetables. And I want my bacon to go back on top on my chicken. So I got that brown, that over there. I used about half a pound of bacon for this recipe. I make it a big pot. And I make my Cog Au Vin more like a cassoulet. But it is what it is. I can't wait. And about 2 cups of chicken broth, because I want a nice gravy. And do not laugh at my little baby Cornish hens. They were on sale for $2 a piece at the local supermarket. And I'm like, these will be perfect for this recipe. So there, bacon on top. And now, traditionally this recipe calls for burgundy. Burgundy gives me a headache. So about 1.5 cups. Wine of your choice. The alcohol is going to evaporate off. I am using a Riesling. And then, oh, almost forgot. One more thing.
Add your several sprigs of thyme, salt, pepper, and I put some all-purpose seasoning on top. Bake at a preheated 350-degree oven for approximately 60 minutes. Your meat thermometer should read 165 degrees when you take it out. And each of us had our own individual Cornish hen Cog Au Vin style. Thank you, Rebel Canners. Have a great day. Be sure you're subscribed and you've rung the notification bell so that you get notified when I make new content. Thank you and have a great day, Rebel Canners.